I'm sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Ever.
Meet Spark. Small, colorful, smart. A powerful flying camera that you can take anywhere. It's so clever, it activates by recognizing you. Just launch it from the palm of your hand. It even returns when you call it. And land like this. Easy. Can't get everyone in the shot? No problem. Watch as it hovers precisely in place, always at your command. Control it with your hands, remote controller, mobile device, or DJI goggles. Using GPS, Spark knows where it is, even if you don't. It'll even sense obstacles to avoid things in front of it and come home safely. Think you got smooth moves? Spark's footage is smoother. It takes the shake out of your shot, so you look like a pro. Not feeling the control sticks? Perform preset flight maneuvers with a single click and get those epic shots. Here's a way to stand out from the crowd. Spark automatically adds shallow depth of field to your photos. If you don't know how to fly, just tap fly. Let's see if you can handle sport mode. Spark keeps you in the frame, so all you need to do is act naturally. Edit your epic videos and share them instantly. Spark your aerial creativity anywhere. All you need to do is seize the moment.
Some things in life are a question of perspective, because what makes this moment unique and full of life is you. This freedom now lies in your hands.
What we strive for in everything that we do is to help you capture the special moments of your life, to tell your story. We are at the forefront of electric aviation. We developed the Typhoon 4K quadcopter with the built-in camera to capture crystal clear 4K Ultra HD with incredible detail. It has the ability to record in 120 frames per second slow motion, full HD video. It's easy to use and provides a perfectly user-friendly experience that fits in with your lifestyle. We designed a number of smart features that allow the Typhoon to adapt to you. We have reinvented how the Follow Me feature interacts with you. The software detects where you are and follows you automatically. We are the first ones to incorporate elevation changes, so the camera drone actually follows you as you go up and down in geography. To give you even more artistic freedom, we have integrated the Watch Me feature. It allows you to concentrate completely on what you're filming or doing while the camera always remains directed at you. The operation of the Typhoon is super easy. In the development process, we put in a lot of thought in how to make it quick and easy to use, ready to fly out of the box in less than 2 minutes. Our remote control is the optimum combination of high-quality material and user-oriented design. With the integrated touchscreen that's built into every unit, you have full control over camera image and see all the important flight parameters. There is no complicated installation of external monitors necessary. Our software and hardware is perfectly matched. With professional camera settings, you can use the 4K camera with the remote and also control frame rate, resolution, and exposure. Or do super sharp photos just by pushing a button. The Typhoon opens completely new perspectives for your creativity. The copter's camera gimbal is a 3-axis stabilization system which allows you to make steady footage even in windy conditions. The 4K camera also has optical compensation with a flat, wide-angle lens. This means the picture is realistic. There is no loss of quality and less effort in post-production. This makes it possible to discover new horizons with ease. But the Typhoon is more than that. With the included Steady Grip and the Seago 3 camera, our product becomes an all-in-one solution for steady air and ground shots. The modular design allows you to switch from air to ground within a few seconds. The Steady Grip is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal system for your hand. Because of the integrated video link, any smartphone becomes a portable display via Wi-Fi. With our Seago 3 camera app, you can not only control the camera easily, but also have a brilliant picture in any situation with all recording options. The 2 different modes for the Steady Grip makes filmmaking more comfortable for you. In follow mode, the camera follows you and your hand movements in a smooth motion, whereas in the focus mode, the target is fixed. The Typhoon's flight time is up to an amazing 25 minutes. Complex maneuvers or long pursuits are no longer a problem. In addition, with each copter comes a second battery. Your imagination may run wild for a long time. Changing the battery is incredibly easy. The battery compartment has an easy-to-open enclosure that keeps the battery safe during flight and allows you to change in seconds after landing. Satellite-based GPS data gives your flight better control. It holds your copter quiet and safe in the air. Safety is a concern, and the return to home function brings the copter back to you in the event of signal loss. Of course, it can also be used as an autopilot to land without the need of control. With the flip of a switch to the home position, the Typhoon will return to you. It's that easy.
We have designed one of the world's best flight simulators for multicopters, which gives everyone the opportunity to get the feel for flying without ever leaving the ground.
As part of our quality assurance, every copter is individually tested. and must pass our highly detailed quality controls before leaving the factory. Be adventurous. Unleash your creativity and discover new perspectives. Your story is worth telling. Your story is worth sharing with the world. Come with us and tell your story.
When DJI takes to the sky, we break new ground. It's that simple. Every time we innovate, it becomes the standard, often imitated, but never replicated. Our newest creation is all this, and more. The Phantom 4 is an easy-to-use flying camera powered by the world's most advanced artificial intelligence technology. Now all you have to do is direct it where to go. Here, let's take a closer look. Look at this thing. It's a total redesign. Polished shell, vented composite core underbelly engineered for strength and weight, sleek, refined, elegant. But there's tremendous strength in elegance. Look, a reinforced gimbal for greater stability. And the motors? Refined for increased flight efficiency. Raised so you can go faster without propellers poking into footage where they don't belong. That's gonna come in handy when you're going fast. How fast? That fast. We've added a new sport mode for more experienced pilots to get eye-popping shots, or maybe just to bring out your inner speed demon. Philosopher Immanuel Kant said, "All of our knowledge begins with the senses." For the Phantom 4, it's the same exact thing. We've added 4 sensors, like eyes, in front and underneath that do sonar detection and point cloud stereoscopic recognition. Look, it can see everything in front of it from nearly 50 feet away and over 30 feet underneath it. Obstacles like trees, rocks, bison. It hits the brakes. Full stop. Check this out. The Phantom 4's self-flying innovations are made possible by 2 revolutionary new features that simplify the flying experience: TapFly and ActiveTrack. With TapFly, you need only to tap the live view on screen where you want to go, like, say, right there. Right now, the Phantom 4 is intelligently adapting to its surroundings, detecting ground elevation and obstacles in its way. When in TapFly mode, it will even reroute and navigate around an obstruction all by itself. And all you did was tap. ActiveTrack allows the Phantom's camera to distinguish specific objects in its viewing path and track them with just a tap of a finger and without any sort of remote receiver. It's this adaptive machine learning that allows the Phantom to understand how you look from every angle, even if it can only see you from one. That means you, a friend, your pet, virtually anything you can think of. And it has a flight range of up to 5 kilometers. Are you seeing this? The Phantom is flying along encircling a moving subject, capturing smooth, perfect video. This is an incredibly challenging shot to pull off. Ask any pilot. But now, even the most demanding shot becomes uncomplicated, achieved with a simple flick of the stick. By the way, this intelligent technology means return to home is even smarter than before. With this new sensory technology, it returns to you while avoiding and rerouting away from obstacles. It's safer, easier, and more reliable than ever before. The addition of these new autonomous features means more usable shots than ever before. No more setup, no more ruined footage because of a bad angle or camera bump. Now all of your shots are gonna look like this. Or this. Or this. So, that's awesome. The Phantom 4's camera is better than ever. Its new lens is composed of 8 separate elements for improved sharpness and chromatic aberration handling. It also shoots in 4K ultra-high definition at 24, 25, and 30 frames per second, and 60 and 120 frames per second at 1080. And we couldn't forget the battery. Completely redesigned, reformed to be more compact and easier to access, all while increasing the flight time to 28 minutes. All in a composite core unibody which is lighter and sturdier than aluminum. Your senses are what dial you into all aspects of life and the world around you. We are only the capacity of what we experience. The Phantom 4 is the first quadcopter to harness those senses and show you a world without limits. It is truly your flying companion, by your side, actively involved in every adventure and burst of inspiration you might stumble on. With the Phantom 4, the world is your blank canvas. What are you gonna do with it?